Hello students, welcome to the English channel. This is Unit 2 E-Communication, Lesson 4 Fiction. Well students, this lesson is an extract taken from The City of the Beasts written by Isabel Allende. Let's move on to the keywords. So you could read along with me. Cayman, protested, fist, passport, adventure, documentary, bandits, leprosy. So children, you find all these keywords in the lesson. Do you know any facts about these rainforest animals? Well, I hope you have heard about the sloth, a very slow animal, the red-eyed tree frog, the spider monkey, chameleon. So they are quite different. There is a big difference between the rainforest animals and also the animals where we see throughout the days everywhere. For example, dogs, cats, we could find them everywhere. But when it comes for a sloth, you rarely find them. You do not actually find the sloth everywhere. They live in the rainforest. Students, I hope you are ready with your course book. Look at the cover of the book on page 21. What sort of book do you think it is? What do you think it is about? Read the summary of the story, the extract from chapter 1. Now you should be able to answer how Alex feels about his visit. Students, this is activity 3. Match the words and phrases to the definitions. Refer page number 20. You could match using your pencil. But remember, you don't have to write in your grammar writing book because it's an oral activity. Ship me off. The definition. Send me somewhere when I don't want to go somewhere. Package. Something that is covered in paper and sent in the post. Furious. Very angry. Fist. A hand which is tightly closed. Documentary. A film or TV program that gives the facts about a situation. Mosquitoes. Insects that suck blood, sometimes causing malaria. Caimans. Reptiles that are like small alligators. Bandits. People who rob travelers. Leprosy. A very serious disease which destroys the body. Piranhas. South American fish with sharp teeth. Now let's move on to the next activity. This is activity 4. Find 5 words the author uses instead of said. We could use different words instead of said, but it depends according to the situation. Now refer the extract in page number 21 and find the words which could be replaced instead of said. Explained, protested, promised, exclaimed, blurted, yelled. Can you think about other words instead of said? Well, you could say whispered, cried, screamed, retorted. There are many words where you could use instead of the word said. Activity 5. Let's complete the family tree of John and Lisa. Who is the head of John's family? Can you guess who is it? Well, it is Kate. Lisa. The head of the family of Lisa is Carla. The children of John and Lisa are Alex, Nicole, and Andrea. So now you could enjoy filling the gap in the textbook itself. Activity 6. What does this extract tell you about the following characters? Number 1. Alex. He is a very aggressive child and is very stubborn. He often goes against his father's will. Number 2. Alex's father. What sort of a person is he? He is a loving and a caring father and also a very responsible person. Number 3. Kate, the grandmother of Alex's father's mother, Kate. What sort of a person is she? Well, she is a very active, a risky bearer who is ready to take and handle risk. A very adventurous woman. Write this in your grammar writing book. You could describe each and every character numbering as number 1 Alex, and you could describe Alex. Number 2 Alex's father. Number 3 Kate. Now it's activity 7. Just look at the picture. Imagine this is Alex. Is he in a good mood? Alex says, I'm 15, Dad, and that's plenty old enough for you to at least ask my opinion. Is he right? Do you think and do you agree to what Alex says? Now it's time for you to write your own answer. Just imagine Alex is anyhow sent to his grandmother's place, and now they are ready to go to Amazon rainforest. Alex is walking through the thick forest. Now it's time for you to guess these places. This is a place where a hanging bridge is available, and you have to walk through the thick forest where when you turn right you find the forest, when you turn left you find the thick forest. Next, a cave. This is the Amazon river. This is something different. Just imagine you find treasure chests in the deep forest. Maybe the bandits, the robbers have hidden them. Not only that, even the traps are laid. It can be for the animals or human traps. You find a lot of wild animals, rainforest animals in the Amazon forest. The next, there may be different tribes living or even cannibals living. Now there is a task given to you. What do you think is going to happen next in the story? So as I told you before, Alex is sent to his grandma, and now they are walking in the thick forest. Here are few places where I have mentioned. Just imagine what would have happened to him. Write a paragraph in your grammar writing book. You could choose one of these places or you could go for better ones. Now it's time for me to stop the session. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Let's meet in the next lesson, Unit 3, Rivers and Coasts. Thank you very much for watching my video.